Hi, this is Dan here from Thomas Roder Support. I'm just going to take you through the admin, just general overview of the admin area for Foundry, our latest WordPress theme. So we have a look in the dashboard, and originally it looks quite a lot like any other WordPress area, but we have got quite a lot of extra options back there and some extra areas when creating posts and projects and whatnot. We'll just take you through them now, just a brief overview. Some of the areas are detailed in other videos, so we're just going to have a quick glance through now just to see what you're dealing with. Okay, so if we look at posts, what we've got here is the demo content we've set up in a previous video, and we're just going to have a quick look here, just see what we've got going on. So at the moment we've got the kind of standard areas, the main editor, post formats, the featured image. This one is new and unique to the theme. It's an area where you can handle how the post title is displayed. We have covered this in another video, so I'd suggest to have a look at that now if you're more interested. But if we have a quick switch here to what happens when we change formats, if we go over to video, what you'll notice, a new little option appears down here. It just gives you somewhere where you can put the embed code from your provider. Obviously you've got a list of them available to view here. If we change over to audio again, the area swaps so that it can be used for your audio embed code, and then with a quote it just takes the content that's in the main area here and just kind of displays it. So obviously for a long format like this it's no good, but if you're just doing a quick short sharp post, that's perfect. Okay, we'll head over to portfolio. And have a look. Now this one is handled mainly by Visual Composer, so if you're logging in like this and you're seeing these shortcodes here, you know, it kind of makes sense, but it's not as good as it could be. Just click the backend editor and you'll see that Visual Composer will kick in and it displays the grid as you may expect. Not much else to view here. We've got obviously an area to set the featured image, which is how your items are displayed on the front end. For now that's covered, so we'll go to the team members. Take a look at Jake. There we are. Now we can see again we've got the usual content area, an area to assign a category and whatnot. We've got the page title options here we've mentioned before, and now we've got a couple of extra meta boxes for more details. So you've got the job title and social icons. So at the moment he hasn't got any set. If we wanted to add one, let's try YouTube. We'll stick in, that's the URL, and we simply hit the add another icon button here and just keep adding as many as you want. You can reorder them fairly simply with these buttons here, and obviously if you need to remove them if you made any mistakes, or if you just don't want them anymore, that can all be done very straightforward. Looking at clients next. Now this one is very stripped down. We've just got the area for the URL, so if you wish to have the logo linked to a website, then put it in there. And then we've got the featured image area here. Obviously this particular one, as the name suggests, is a white image, so we can't really see it, but it is there. If we look at testimonials next, this one's very much like a regular post, so we've set the featured image as normal. There are categories if you wish to assign them, standard text area here, and just the job title, which is displayed after their name, which is used as the title here. Now the media and links and whatnot, they are the standard kind of WordPress areas, so we won't need to go through those. We all kind of know what the media library looks like. Okay, so here are our pages. I'm just going to create another one. There we go, just to show you generally what you'd expect. And here we've got the usual title area, main content area. Obviously we'll switch to Visual Composers to get the most out of it. And then down here we've got the header overrides, which we have covered as well. Basically you just need to, if you want to change the way the header looks for any particular page on a per page basis, then this is where you can do that. And again, we've got the page title options as you'd expect as well. And then if we head over to contact forms, I've got all the demo forms here, obviously, which we provide for you. How to use this is covered in depth in another video as well, so I suggest have a look at that. But this is actually all installed via the Contact Form 7 plugin, which we recommend. The mega menu items, have a look again. We can see here, it's very simple. There is nowhere to set a featured image. This is simply an area you can use to create the mega menu drop downs that you see in the demo. This actually only supports the Visual Composer custom menu area, so you are a bit limited there, but it does give you quite a lot of flexibility as to what you can do. WooCommerce is just an external plugin, probably far too much to cover in this video, but we haven't done anything extra there. It's just pretty much all the power that you'd expect. And if we look in the theme options, which is where we handle all the different styling elements and options we've given you, it's just under appearance and customize. As we can see here, we've got all of the options we're going to need to set up pretty much everything from the general styling, custom CSS, favicons, anything you can think of is in there. We have got a video covering this as well, so yeah, if you do need any more details, then please have a look at that now. And finally, we've got the post type options here. Again, this is something we have covered in an article, but if you do wish to change to the default slugs for the portfolio or team members which people can visit, this is where you can do that. If you are going to use the option, then as it suggests, don't ignore this message here. You do need to visit your permalinks page and hit save. It just kind of gives WordPress a nudge to realise what's going on. Okay, so there we go. We've got the general overview of the admin area for Foundry. I hope this video has been useful. If you do have any problems along the way, just come and see me over at support. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.